Hello to all my friends out there. And I buy a lot of these kind of things. And what I do at night after I'm cleaning the kitchen, I wipe my countertops. It says kills 99% of bacteria. And then I just let that sit on my counters, until the next day. I can do that because I don't actually, like do any cooking of any sort. Okay, so now, ooh, 5-second rule. Okay, so I want to make some lemon chicken. Why I like chicken is because it's easy, no slaving. The way I make it is the same old way. I want to drizzle a little oil. I don't want my chicken dry, so I want to get enough oil. This would also make some awesome gravy, but that's not the direction we're going in. Okay, so I want to get enough oil. I buy this I'm going to be buying oil pretty soon for the stockpile. I'm going to buy a big one. I'm done messing around. From now on, as I need food, I'm buying the food in huge sizes. I saw a video one time by a guy, and he said, get all your what would this be called? Your staples together. Okay, and I buy this. This is going to make some good lemon chicken. I want to get enough on there. I want to taste some lemon on my chicken. And I just slide it in the oven, and I'll bake at the same time I'm baking those little sweet potatoes. I find the little ones to be fine. I bought those 99¢ only, and then I bought, this is why I went to Smart and Final. Okay, I wanted to buy the cookies for $14.99, but they were only marked down $1 still. I need cookies. In 2 days I'm back on the veggie. So, and not only that, these cookies are very, very delicious. And, if you eat 2 of these, you'll be happy and you'll be satisfied. I can drink my tea, and I'm keeping my eye out. But, if you're going to pay full price, check out I got this one on the bottom. The ones on the top expired 9/21. This one 9/30. So if you are going to buy items that are a little pricey, make sure you get the freshest one you can. Well, these aren't going to last long around here. Okay, I'll be back.